morning. Welcome to a special holiday edition of Coffee Chat. I've got my reindeer mug to toast to you with my coffee this morning. So I'm going to talk to you today about one of the questions I get asked most often this time of year. I get DMs, I get text messages from my friends and family members. And the big question is, I don't know what to wear to holiday parties. Actually, that's not a question, that's a statement. The question is, what should I wear to holiday parties? And I know that this is an area that totally can trip us up, right? Like, I even get into a panic. I had an event to go to last night, and ironically, the topic that I spoke on was how to quickly and easily get dressed for a holiday party, okay? So I'm standing in my bedroom a couple hours beforehand, and I'm in a panic, like, what am I gonna wear to this event? And the craziest thing was the answer was right in front of me. It was the topic that I was going to talk about. And I had the outfit formula already. And honestly, I wear this outfit formula for almost every holiday party that I ever go to. And I have for the past, I'm going to say 4 to 5 years. And it works every time. And nobody ever notices that I'm wearing the same thing. And there's a good reason for that, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But first off, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about the event I went to last night. So my friend Crystal hosts this awesome event. If you're ever in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you have to go. She does this amazing girls' night out, and it's this big party that she does for women once a month. I am totally blown away by her event planning skills and the way that she just brings this all together. So her mission and her heart is really about women connecting with each other in real life, because I know myself, I don't make this a priority. I put my family and my business ahead of everything, and then I really just don't leave room or bandwidth in my life to allow that space for connection in real life with my girlfriends. Like, that is the very last thing on my list, honestly. And she makes it just really super intentional for women to get together and connect and share their stories. And the whole evening is really just orchestrated around that. She has us share little memories and stories from her past. Last night we shared about a time where we felt like time stood still for us, and some of the stories were just incredibly touching that the women shared. But I love that she just has such a heart for service and mission, and it's called Heart Stories. So you can find it on Facebook, Heart Stories GNO. I will also link it up in the comments. If you're ever in the area, you absolutely should go, because it is just such an awesome event for women. It's not just your typical girls' night out. Yes, there is wine and food, but it's about so much deeper than that and so much more than that. So I was a guest last night on the panel to talk about holiday outfits and how to make, the whole night was about how to make the holidays easier and less stressful. And she had 6 different panelists that came in and talked about different ways that you can do this. I wanted to share one of the tips from one of them because it kind of hit me right here and stuck with me, and it was something that I wanted to implement in my daily life. So one of her friends, Laura, is a divorce attorney, and she talked about the importance of communication and really just kind of protecting your energy around the holidays, deciding who you want to spend time with, setting boundaries, effective communication. But one of the things that she shared just really hit me here, and that was there's a difference between providing a shift response and a support response. So the example she gave was, if you know your significant other, somebody that you love, tells you, I just didn't sleep well last night, and your shift response is to shift it back onto you and say, oh gosh, I didn't sleep well either. Whenever the better, more loving thing to do, the better communication, is to give the support response and say, oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Were you not comfortable last night? Or do you feel like you had insomnia? Or what was going on? And I thought about that, and it really made me examine my responses that I have to people. Almost every single time I default to the shift response. I'm not gonna lie. And I don't know that it's to shift things back onto me. I think I do it more from what I'm feeling is an empathy standpoint of saying, oh gosh, I went through that too, when that's really not the best response in that situation. The support response is so much better, and I'm gonna try to be really intentional about that. for the next few weeks. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was really powerful. And I think a lot of us do default to that without even knowing it. So that's one thing that I just took from last night that just has really stuck with me. So back to the go-to outfit formula, which is why you're here. All right, so I'm standing in my bedroom last night and I'm thinking, what am I gonna wear to this event? And then it just dawns on me, you're gonna wear exactly what you're gonna talk about tonight. So I had every woman in the room raise their hand when I said, do you have a pair of black pants, black skirt, black jeans? Every hand in the room went up. Then I said, do you have a black blouse, black turtleneck, black sweater? Again, every hand in the room went up. So I know that every woman in that room has the basis for this outfit formula. And before you start to say, oh my gosh, I don't look good in black, black washes me out, know that you can also do this in a winter white or ivory color, okay? So don't panic. If you don't want black near your face, you don't have to have it there. You can also sub a black top for a color that is totally flattering to you. But I'm gonna show you some of my favorite outfit formulas. I brought some visual aids back here. So last night I wore a pair of black jeans and a black off-the-shoulder sweater that's actually similar to this sweatshirt that I'm wearing today. And I put it on with my leopard booties. And it was perfect. I just had to add a little bit of accessories. It was more of a casual event, so you could definitely go with something that casual for sure. But you can also dress it up. So one of my favorite things to do is pair up a black blouse and add, I have my necklace stuck to my blouse right here. We're having technical difficulties, but add a little bit of bling to the blouse. And you can pair this up with some velvet pants like these to add a little bit of texture. You can do it, if your blouse is longer, you can definitely do it with your faux leather leggings. So do your blouse, your faux leather leggings. You can add a little bit of bling and that's enough if you want to just stop there. You can add in some leopard heels to any of these looks or leopard booties. And if you really want to go all out, you can add a little bit of a topper. I love adding a fur vest on top of that outfit. So just take your basic black outfit formula, the leggings, the pants, the skirt, the blouse, the turtleneck, the sweater, whatever you're putting on your top half, and then add a little bit of something extra. So you can do the fur vest, you can definitely do a statement necklace, you can do the faux leather leggings if you want to add a little bit of fun, I don't want to call that texture, but I guess it's texture. Is that right? I don't know. Tell me. Is that right? But it adds just a little bit of something to the outfit. You could also do something like a cozy turtleneck with it. And I love this. Buffalo plaid is big for winter this year. So add either a buffalo plaid, what is this called? I am losing my words today. Oh my gosh. I want to call it a shawl, but that's not the word. Wrap? Yeah, it's a wrap. Okay, wrap or scarf over your shoulders with it. You can definitely do that if you want to add a little color to the outfit. Or if you want to get really dressy, we can do, of course, a little black dress, which works for every holiday event. I got this lace one on Amazon and I loved it. I will link this up for you. And then just add some red heels and a little bit of bling to the outfit and you're done. It's that simple. But all black works for everything. It doesn't matter. You can do something super casual, like if you're having New Year's Eve at home, then you can definitely do those faux leather leggings with the leopard ankle booties, and you can pattern mix with your buffalo plaid, so you can pair up the leopard with the plaid, or you can do snake print booties, which are super on trend for winter 2019 as well. All right, that's it. It's so simple that anybody can do it. So comment below, let me know if you have these pieces in your closet and if you're gonna try this holiday outfit formula for yourself. Remember that registration for the Winter 2019 Style Challenge is open now, so if you wanna check that out, you can at stylechallenges.com. So I hope to see you guys there, and I hope you have an awesome weekend and that you have a holiday party look in your closet too. See ya.